Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're doing our next video in the Arteza pouring acrylic color series. So if you didn't see my first couple of videos, I'll put the links down in the description. But my first video I did a flip cup. Second video I did a tree ring. And in this video I'm going to use silicone and see how it does with that. So for anyone that missed the earlier videos, the pouring acrylic color kit here comes with 32 bottles. It is, however, only 28 colors because they give you 4 whites and 2 blacks. Those tend to be the colors that you use the most. So for anyone starting out, this is a great kit because it has all the colors you could possibly need and want. And I'm having a lot of fun going through them. Plus, it takes the guesswork out of mixing. They're already mixed. You don't need to add anything. You just go ahead and pour. So I'm using my Spot On treadmill silicone. Got this from Amazon. I am still on the same bottle that I got literally like 2 years ago. Oh, more than that, actually. It lasts for forever. So I'm just going to put 1 drop into each cup, or 2. That cup got 2 drops. And then we're going to add our colors. All right, so this is neon purple. I'm going kind of some crazy colors here. This one still had the little white piece in there. Hold on. All right, here we go. Neon purple. So putting in just a little bit of each color. This is sea green, so it's a nice light kind of teal color. I'm going to use a lot of that one. And then I have some bronze. And then also a neon blue. I'm pretty excited about this color combo. So these all have silicone. I'm going to go ahead and get them all stirred up. So I want the silicone mixed into the paint. And I think I'm going to add one more color. Let me see. Look at my box real quick. I think for this one, I'm going to just throw a little bit of black. I'm going to throw some of the black into one. And I'll do the same thing. I'll do the 1 drop of silicone. Okay, I'm going to start with this sea green here as kind of my base. And with this, we are going to do a flip cup, guys. Okay, I'm really excited about the purple and the green together. I think are just going to look amazing. And because I did add the silicone, I'm going to use basically all of these. They're definitely not going to get, put back into the bottles or anything. Plus, I'm pretty sure I'll need all this paint. Okay. So all total, I guess there's about 6 drops probably of silicone in here. So it's definitely plenty. I do need more paint. I am going to add more black here. I'm not worried about the silicone because, like I said, plenty of silicone in there. I'm going to add a little more of the bronze and a little more of the blue. Okay, that's enough paint. You can already tell by the cup. Look how exciting this is. Okay, we'll flip cup here. And we go. Okay. Now I like to let it sit for a minute and settle before I pull the cup off. So we're going to do that and we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Now because I think torching with silicone can help, we're going to go ahead and torch this. My little torch is out of juice, so I'm using my big one. You can see a little cell action popping up there. I think these colors together are going to be really exciting. It does seem like it is coming out a bit darker than I was hoping, but I feel like it's going to keep changing too, so I'm not too worried. Yeah, definitely see some cells popping up. There we go. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit. See what else develops. We got some nice, beautiful cells here. I'm loving this part over here. The purple with that bronze looks pretty awesome. And the blues that are coming up over here, oh my goodness. Okay. So we will be right back in just a minute. All right, we're back. So a bit of change, but not actually as much as I anticipated. I like this piece. I definitely love these colors together. I'm going to use them together in another painting that does not have the silicone in it. Maybe a tree ring or something, but let's do our close-up. Okay, starting in the lower left-hand corner, you see these really fun cells. I love this bright over here. Upper right-hand corner, there's that neon purple. This is the part where I was talking about with the bronze and the purple. Looks pretty cool. So upper left-hand corner, and then down to the lower left-hand corner, which is a bit more subdued, and then the overall again. So I actually really like this piece way more than I thought I was going to. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're interested in trying out these paints, check down in the description. I'll post the link there so you can check them out. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.